guys, what's going on? Welcome back to RuelTV. I hope all of you are doing good. It's nice to see you again. Are you fan of editing? Well, this channel is for you. This channel teaches different concepts of editing that will surely enhance and develop your editing skills. I know you are new to this channel. Just be updated to latest concept of editing. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so that you are always updated and notified to all of my branded and amazing manipulation of editing. You are really lucky since you are in a channel wherein all editing skills are packed. And now, let's do edits!
Shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say, 'cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here. There's nothing wrong on the horizon, but I'm always in my own head. Yeah, I was getting tired of trying, forgetting every word that I said in all those old conversations that turned into a melody. I'll be waiting for autumn days ahead of me. Those words that put me under are never coming back again. I like my beat with some soul, I like my girl with some heart. I only love with my whole, I don't know how to give part. I don't know how we gon' finish, but I love how we done start. So let's take a night to just be who we are. So I ain't got the time or the energy, unless it's towards a goal or a memory. And to be doing things that I don't really love. Only light I had was coming from the sun, but now I'm shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say, 'cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here.
Every day I gotta light one, yeah. Never not that it a tight one, yeah. No, I keep it 100 every time I come with trouble. No, we coming with the right ones, yeah. 35 can't play, get a bag on ya. Never with the games, put a tag on ya. I ain't getting lit cause my future too bright. Joey hit me up, I said that's just on site. No, it's too nice. No ops, no lights, doing heist that we never hit before, and I'm feeling too white. Gotta roll like a road on. Major difference, there's a platinum and a gold songs. Whoa, oh, you already know I can make your life a push start, press go. Say we're off to a good start, let's smoke. Blew the brains off the coupe, baby, explode, yeah.
Shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say, cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here. Come here, we all sing together. Hey. Shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say. Woo! Cause even if the world is ending, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
We are now done. Just simply save it and it will look like this. Want more videos? Don't worry, I have a lot of tutorials that I'm going to upload soon. Just subscribe to be updated. If you enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to give a like, and if you have some questions, suggestions or clarifications about the video, just leave it to the comments section below and I'll see you there. See you next time!